it is Saturday. I feel very pretty right now, minus my boy sweater. It's a man's sweater that was gifted to me. Other than this, I feel pretty. I was filming some content and videos. I'm very sorry I did not film earlier today. The first part of the day, I did not have any makeup on. I was just, there's just a lot going on here. And I was like, yeah, does anyone really want to see that though? Do they? Probably not. I was really stuffed up today. Like, that was unnecessary. I was really stuffed up. Wasn't feeling that great. Pushed myself to film some content. It's now 8. It's still kind of light out, which is really weird to me. It makes me think I have more time in the day than I do. Not get as much as I wanted to done today, but I did some stuff. And now I'm having a snack and I'm gonna edit some videos. That's my day. I hope you guys had a great day. Good morning. Yes, I look like Pollyanna right now. I don't feel like doing anything with my hair, and sometimes when I put it in braids, when I take it out of the braids, it looks pretty. This is like behind the scenes. Shirt was given to me, I think, by one of my little sisters. Please try to Robin comb. That's so cute. I never had to wear a bra again in my life, like a real bra. Sports bras are fine. I probably wouldn't. Fit check. Alien shirt on. I like kind of bigger shirts, to be honest. They're more comfortable. Got my leggings. Let's go see what's going on. I have my lunch in microwave. Yeah, that's good. Let's drink it with protein powder instead of like creamer. A weird thing I do. Let's get some, let me bring some natural light in here. Let's see how my lunch is looking. That is not what I wanted to happen. I am the queen of convenience and minimal effort on routine tasks such as eating. I want something quick and easy that will fill me up. Ever film with my glasses, and I literally hardly ever wear them, but eyes are so dang sore. I think it's from looking at my laptop too much. I look like a total dweeb because otherwise I wear contacts normally. My eyes. I am so far behind on laundry, it is not even funny. I'm really embarrassed of it. So many loads I need to do, which is just disappointing. I don't like these because I get a headache if I look above or below my glasses. So anxious to paint more of my house. I will do that soon, but I just trying to prioritize because of like ADD. I have a bad tendency of starting projects and not finishing them, or just doing them sporadically. I'm like looking and I'm like, oh god, I really want to paint, but see, like I can't just randomly do that. That's something you have to plan for, and sometimes I'm not good at that part. So anyways, I'm doing laundry. I have to take some garbage out to my garage. The plants outside are coming back to life. I love this little walkway I have. And I look like I was crying, but I was not. I didn't get back into contact, so I'm hoping that because I'm not staring at a screen, I'll be okay. However, I think some of it's allergies too. I just feel really not well, unwell. This is my garage. Welcome. Back inside, and I never show this part of my house because it's still so much in progress, and truthfully I'm a little bit embarrassed of it, but I need to make progress on it. This used to be carpet, and I have gotten it this far. Good morning, happy Monday. I am at my office and it is going to be a great day. Hi everybody. This is not food in my face. I just have a little bit of a cut on my lip. I am home. I look like I'm lounging and being lazy, but I'm not. This is like my favorite chair to sit in. Feels good on my back, and I like to sit in it when I'm doing work on my laptop. So here we are. My brother came to see me at my office. Got me a souvenir that I will show you guys when I get up out of this chair from Alaska. I was super excited to see him following his return from Alaska. He came back a new man. He's pretty much famous now. Well, TikTok famous. To me, he's famous. He has like 111k followers on TikTok, 20k on Instagram. I am so proud of him. It's making me wonder what I can do to make my content better so that I can get there too. I have to just remind myself that I'm sharing content that I am proud of and that I like, and eventually the right people will find that too. So I got to tell you guys, for my first time ever, I got a letter saying I had to call in for jury duty. My name wasn't called, so my civic duties are relieved. I think sailboats look really cool. I left my office, but I came back to my office because they locked themselves out and their car keys were inside. I just got another accepted offer today, so woohoo, that was awesome. I did a showing early before I started my day job and then came here to my day job. For my lunch break, wrote the offer and got it accepted. We did it. So I'm gonna head home and make myself some dinner. There's a little bunny down there. Woke up really early this morning. I've been trying to get up at like 4:30, but I've kind of been airing closer to 5. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and today's gonna be a great day. Such a classic song. I got done with work. I went home for a little bit to make myself dinner. And now I'm headed to my parents for my meeting. What are you doing? This is my meeting and I am headed home now. Honestly, I am in a good mood. It is like so nice outside right now. I was gonna open my window, but then it'll get, you'll hear the wind, so I won't. Despite meeting about work-related things, we end up just like finding things to laugh about. So that's what you're coming for. Like a jail cell, a penitentiary. Do the things you do. I don't ever want to be you. Don't want to be just like you. I'm trying to get ready for bed, and I found this. My windows have had a little bit of a problem for a while. I just have been neglecting them. I don't really know how to fix it. That's on me. But they don't close all the way at the top. Remember how I said that Oshkosh gets lake flies? Let me show you what I mean by that. This is the gift my brother got me from Alaska, so thank you, brother. It's now gonna hold up my phone as I deal with this. So this is completely disgusting. Dear God, why? Why? Disgusted, I'm disturbed. I'm traumatized from the incident last night with the bugs and the vacuum. A down statement would be an understatement. I spent like 2 damn hours. I have like the jankiest solution ever right now because I didn't deal with the problem when I first noticed it. I definitely prioritize my work. Anything that involves just myself, I'm left with very little time to deal with. This damn window situation. It's not good. Everybody, it had a long day, you guys. Went to my day job, and then I had a couple of real estate appointments, a listing appointment, and it was literally the sweetest thing. They had wine and like fresh fruit for me at this listing appointment. So sweet. Honestly, super fun. It was really sweet, and overall just a great day. I'm really hot right now. It was like 80. I'm refusing to turn on my AC unit until I absolutely have to. I don't know why. Warm, and I really like being warm. I would choose being warm any day over being cold, so I actually kind of like it. But it's a little bit toasty. 10 p.m. I'm trying to make myself dinner. I'm pretty late by my standards. I'm gonna have some dinner. I'm gonna get ready for bed, wake up early, and do a lot of this again tomorrow. So see you then. Oh no. Okay, there's a couple up there. Oh no. Oh no, my night's not over yet. There's a few more of the bugs back. It's really sketchy, bad situation with my window. I had to freaking put foam there, but somehow the jerks are still getting in. So something that I ordered to fix that. And now freaking gonna have to do this. That is so freaking annoying. I'm a little bit blushed. That is less than ideal. To deal with that further this weekend. That's where we're at right now. Hi everybody, it is Friday night and I got home and it's a rainy Friday and I'm so tired. I'm just like peopled out, tired out. I'm making myself some dinner. I also just haven't been feeling that good lately. I feel like it's like allergies and just kind of being like stuffed out. Probably gonna do some stuff, but here we are.